你可以帮我上那个 live，谢谢。Alright, welcome, welcome. New York live stream. Okay, welcome, welcome. Okay, let's get more people in. Share the stream, and then we will start our analysis. Okay. Okay, let's get more people in, right, before we start our analysis. Today's a Tuesday, so let's not expect too much because it's the second day of the week. So we are hoping to see more volume, and if there's more volume, then we can be able to get into the trade. So for today, we right now at 11 p.m. we do have Canadian PMI, medium risk, so not much of a worry at the moment according to the news. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so let's start with analyzing the chart. Okay, we will start analyzing gold. I'm expecting the price to actually tap in here, which it did, but on the 50-minute, I don't have a confirmation to get into the trade. So, for gold, we will have to wait for a confirmation, right? So if we do see this price point here, which I'm expecting the price to break, if the price were to break these lows, to take out all these lows, then we can see a retrace before we start shorting for gold. Okay, so for gold, we will have to wait for the break of that price point. Okay, we'll do a quick analysis for all the pairs, okay, before we actually look for some positions. So for USD CAD, currently I'm still waiting for the price to actually retest the trend line here, right? Trend line and this resistance that's been broken. So let's just wait a little more. USD CHF as well. Currently the price is at the high. So we want to wait for further confirmations, okay? USD JPY is also testing this. We are waiting for USD JPY to actually test this trend line, okay, which we can see is that this resistance, minor resistance that's been broken. So TikTok, if you guys can see, this one has been broken, so we are waiting for a retest, okay, at this level, and then to get a buy. Also, if you look at this trend line, we can see this level that's been broken as well. Okay, so we want the price to come back to either one of this level for further confirmations before we start entry. Okay, GBP USD. So GBP USD actually broke below. Okay, and we do have our current highs and lows as well. But we will need the price to actually come back to this break of structure here. Okay, so when the price do come back, then we do have a confirmation of our low and our high, and then we can actually look for further shorts position. So we will have to wait for this structure to be done with before we actually place any order. Okay, so for GBP USD as well, it's gonna be a waiting one. Okay, so AUD USD actually tested this support, right? My support zone, and yes, eventually it did reject it, but it's also with the help of the news that happened today for the AUD, which is the bank rate, right, which is the interest rate. All right, so for AUD pair, I'm waiting for another possible entry, another retest. Then I'll be looking for buys, but it's just going to be for scalping. Yeah. Okay, Euro USD. We don't have this break. It happened very late, which is today at 3 o'clock. So I wouldn't take this as a trade because the price has moved further below. Okay. If we are going to look at the 4-hour, the price actually broke below the zone. Currently is testing this final support price point. So on the 15-minute for Euro USD, it's just going to be also a scalping entry. Okay, but we want to see the price break above this price point here. Okay, above here, with a retest, we can actually hop in for a buy position. Okay, stop just below at 18 pips, buffer of 5. So we will be at 23 pips stop. Okay, and we will be targeting here as our first TP, and second TP would be here. So I'm looking at the second TP, which is a 1 to 1.84 risk to reward. So we'll just have to wait for this price to be broken and a retest. Okay, so let's look at NZD USD. I will just be doing a very quick analysis here. Okay, so NZD USD did not break above this price point that I'm looking for. Okay, so if we look at the 4-hour, the price has been rejected at this price level here, right? There's no further confirmations for our entry. Okay. If we look on the 50-minute, yes, it does break above, but it has been moving downwards again and eventually actually hit the stop loss, right? So that is why I'm not taking any entries for NZD USD because I want to wait for a much better structure before I place any entry. So if let's say the 4-hour were to break above, with the retest we can look for entry on the 4-hour as well. Okay, so if we see on the 4-hour, it's actually respecting this this price level that I've marked, right? Only shadows above, only the wick, no candle body closing above. So we will be looking for NZD USD for a buy position as soon as it breaks above this level. Okay, so let's move on to GBP AUD. The price is still not breaking above, so we will want to wait. It's either if touch this support or it breaks above, then we can look for possible entries. Okay, GBP JPY as well, not much of a movement for today. It has been ranging since today morning, right? Not much of a movement, not much of a price action for us to see. GBP CAD as well, but if we do look at GBP CAD, we do have this support level that's been taken out, right? So now we do look at the price that is at the resistance area, which is a support become resistance. Okay, I'm going to look if there's any possible entry. For now, no, we don't have any because the price has been moving upwards, right? So we want to see the price actually break this price point. Okay, the moment the price breaks below here, this one here, okay, this price, we can instantly put a sell limit. Okay, as soon as the price retests this level, we will be in on that position already. So GBP CAD also gonna be a pair that we are waiting for. Okay, GBP NZD as well, not much of a movement right now. It's in between the range. Okay, Euro AUD as well, I'm waiting for this zone to be triggered. At the moment it's not triggered yet, so we want to wait for further price action as well. Euro CAD is in this range, so we are not going to trade in this range. Okay. Euro GBP still the same. It's not breaking below, it's not breaking above, so we want to wait for further movement of this pair. Hopefully tomorrow we can see some volume for the GBP pairs. Because if we look at tomorrow, we do have a couple of news. Okay, but it's not for the GBP. But tomorrow's a Wednesday, so I'm looking to see more volume for this pair. Okay, for the Euro and also the GBP pairs. Euro JPY is not anywhere near this demand area, so I'm waiting for the price to tap into the demand with further confirmations, then we can look for buys. Euro NZD currently has been respecting the trend line, but if we see, yesterday I did mark out this price point here. Okay, the price did not give me a very solid breakout. Right, because if we do see, the price has been rejecting at this area here. So we actually took this trade yesterday, but it just ran for 17 pips. Okay, about 20 pips, actually went to 20 pips. I've set BE for this trade, okay, but eventually it has already hit my BE, so I'm not in a loss for this trade. I'm in profits, so nothing for me to be worried about. So for Euro NZD, I'll be looking for further possible entries. Okay, currently it's retesting this trend line. I'm not going to place an instant position because there's no confirmation for me to get into the trade. Right, so I want to see more confirmation before I get in. So right now, what do I see? I'm looking at this price level here. Okay, I'm looking at this price level. I want to see this break before I hop into the trade. Okay, Euro CHF currently it's at this supply area. Price has been breaking towards the upside. We don't have any confirmations at the moment, right? The only one we can wait for is this break of this change of character here. So we want to see the price actually dump, retest, and we can start selling all the way down here. Okay, to this next support zone. So for Euro CHF, we will have to wait for further movement, further price action for this pair. AUD CAD at the moment, we do have our highs and our lows. This one actually happened last week. We didn't manage to catch it. So right now, I'm expecting the price to actually continue downwards, breaking below, retest, and we can look for a sell position. Right? So if this were to happen, we will get a newer high and also a newer low, right? Because the price is moving towards the downside. As soon as the price breaks this price point here, this level, I want to see a retest, hopefully towards the upside, and with a change of character, we can look for sells. AUD CHF, okay, it's currently at my zone that I'm looking at. I will be looking at this price level to be broken, and then we can hop into the trade. Okay, so a lot of pairs are actually not much volume at the moment. We want to see more volume. We want to see much more break of structure or change of character before we actually hop in. Okay, a lot of pairs are currently just ranging in between the resistance and also the support. NZD CAD as well, not much of an opportunity right now. NZD CHF, like I've predicted, the price will be in between this trend line and also this support level, right? So what I'm expecting is the price to bounce between these two lines, and eventually it's either going to break above or it's going to break below. Okay, if the price does so, we will be looking for an opportunity to get into the trade. NZD JPY, it's not looking very beautiful at the moment. I'll be looking for sales at this area. I want it to be back to this support level. Okay, so we want to look for further price action, further movement, further volume before we actually hop in. Okay, CAD CHF also not near our resistance, so we'll wait for that. And finally CAD JPY as well, so not much of a movement right now. Like I've expected on a Monday and Tuesday, we won't be looking at we won't be seeing a lot of volume at the moment. Okay, so a lot of pairs will be in a waiting watch list for me. Okay, so right now I'm looking at gold. I'm looking for a sell. I want to take a sell position, but I want the price to actually break below this price point here. Because if we do see the price actually is rallying up, but it does create a support here. It has already created a support here, right? I want to see more movement, more price action before I actually start selling. So on the 30-minute is the same thing as we see. 15-minute as well, we want this to break below. Okay, and if the price were to break below, we can set a sell limit, stops just above this high, and our TP will be at this support. So it's a 1 to 1.48 risk to reward. Okay, so I'm looking for this kind of movement basically. Okay, I want to see the price break below, retest, and dump. Okay, so this is what I'm expecting. If we hop into the 5-minute, it's the same thing as we see. Resistance broken, became a support, tested, right? Tested multiple times again. So we want to see a change of market structure moving to the downside. Okay. So we have done a very quick analysis for all the pairs. Is there any specific pairs that you guys want me to look at on TikTok or YouTube or Twitch? If there is specific pairs that you want me to look at, feel free to actually type into the chat box before I move on further. Any pairs that you guys want me to look at? I do see one, which is a Euro USD on TikTok. Euro USD currently is at my support level, but like I've said, I don't have any confirmations to start buying, right? I want to see the price actually break above this level, which is at 1.07433. I want the price to break above, and then I will set my buy limit at that level to eventually ride all the way up to the resistance. Okay, so on YouTube we do have GBP CAD. Okay, let's look at that. Okay, so GBP CAD will do a much more detailed analysis. Okay, so if we look at GBP CAD at the moment, okay, let's just zoom out a little more, right? We do have this support and this resistance, right? These two levels, these two zones are actually marked as a minor resistance area for us to look for sells, right? But of course, if it's a minor resistance, it's going to be slightly risky. Okay, so we do have two levels here, which has this been already tested. We have another one that hasn't been tested yet, right? So right now the price has break below all these lows, has taken out all the lows. it has been retracing since then. So we want to hop into the 50-minute. Okay, on the 50-minute, if we were to look for sells, we want the price to actually break below here, which is at 1.69722. We want the price to actually break below this level. So if the price does so, okay, let's just assume the price actually created a downwards movement, broke below, right? The moment it breaks below, we can actually set a sell limit at this price point and short it all the way down. So if you want to know your final destination, on the 4-hour, we will be looking at this level, right? So the reason why is it at this level is because this is, if you look here, right, this is a downwards movement, finally broken above, came back, this support actually hold the price, pushed it higher, broken all these levels, came back with a retest, and it shot higher up. So this is going to be our support area, right? So if we're going to short it, this is where we are targeting, right? Which is a 1.68897. This is the price point that we are going to be targeting. So on the 15-minute, okay, we want to look for confirmations before we actually start selling this pair. So we need the price to actually move towards the downside, right? If let's say it created some structure like this, break below, we can set a sell limit, retest at the price point, and dump it all the way down. So this is what I'm looking at. If you look on the weekly, we do have this trend line moving towards the downside. We also do see the price actually stop moving either to the upside or the downside, right? There's not much of a volume at the moment. Okay, we hop into the daily. The daily, you do see the same kind of movement. Okay, currently it's just stuck in this area here. Of course, we do see these lows being taken out. Okay, we want the price to retest, which is retesting. Okay, and eventually we want to short it back all the way down here. Okay, so we're looking at this price. 4-hour is what we see. Okay, so I'm going to hop on to the 15-minute to look for confirmations, which is at this level. We want the price to break this level, and if there is a very strong volume, we want this one to be taken out as well, and the retest, then we can start shorting. Okay, when it stops above, TP at the low, so it's a 1.1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so this is what we are looking at the moment. We want to see more price action for GBP CAD. Okay, we do have one Euro USD. So Euro USD, I actually gave my analysis already just now. I just did. So if we do see the price currently is at this support level, right? So when it's at the support, what do? You buy, right? If it's at the resistance, you sell. So with that being said, you want to get more confirmation before you start placing an entry, right? So I've actually marked out this level here, this price point here, which I want to see the price break above. Right, I want to see the price break above, set a buy limit at this level with a retest. Then we want to see the price riding high. Okay, so this is what we want to see. Okay, eventually on the hour 4, your TP is going to be at the trend line, right? So we are targeting something like this. Okay, we are targeting something like this, which is a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio. But at the moment, we don't have any confirmations, we don't have any volume to push the price further. Okay, so if we look at the US dollar on the 4-hour, US dollar has been strengthening since the NFP, right? The price has taken out this high. Okay, so this is going to automatically become a support. price is currently retesting this resistance on the DXY, on the US dollar index. Okay, and if this price managed to break above, we do see a retest and tapping this resistance here. Okay, which has not been tested yet. It's a support that became a resistance. Okay, so we will see some movement towards the downside at this level here. So for the US pairs, you want to actually, if you look at the pair like Euro USD, USD is at the back, so you want to start looking for opportunities to actually short the pair, right? Because US dollar is strengthening. So like for Euro USD, with the buy that I've just said is just a retracement. Okay, it's just going to be for scalping, and eventually we're going to look for sells for all the USD pair. Okay, because like I've said, US dollar is strengthening, so we want to see a little bit more of a price action, a little bit more of a volume to actually hop into the trade. Okay, so that will be for Euro USD. Any more other pairs that you want me to look at to give you an analysis? So for those on you on TikTok, I do recommend you to join my Telegram channel, okay? Because I will be releasing more analysis there. I will give you guys education, give you guys more signals, as well as a lot of other perks that you can get from joining our Telegram page. Right, so do hop into the Telegram and just key in this link here, okay, and you will be able to look at more. You'll be able to get more analysis, more signals, and also education. Okay, so YouTube, we do have one that's asking for Bitcoin, BTC. Let's just take a look. Okay, so let's look at Bitcoin for now. Okay, we have seen the price. If we look at the monthly, okay, we do see, let's look on the weekly, it's going to be much clearer. Okay, weekly, you do see the price has rallied, came back down, rally again, and then this is where COVID happens, 1 year after COVID happens, and it dumped all the way down to the low, which is at 14,000, right? So now what do we see? The price is rallying higher. Okay, so this is going to be for the weekly. Price is currently at the resistance here, has tested and rejected as well. We're going to move on to the daily. Okay, on the daily we do see price actually rejected at this level and currently has been retracing, right? We do look at this price point here because it's a resistance that's been broken and also tested to bounce back up. So we can look for BTC if this price is going to break below, it's going to retest and come back all the way down here. Okay, so this is what we're going to see for BTC, for Bitcoin. Okay, if we move on to the 4 hour, same thing happens. Okay, right now the price is at this level here. Okay, we want to see the price tapping this support, and if there's any chances, any confirmation for us to start buying, then yes, we can look for buys. Okay, so this will be for BTC. TikTok, how about gold? Okay, let's look at gold again. So like my analysis, I've said on the 4 hour chart, we do see the price actually tapping the resistance area. Okay, so on the 4 hour, if I do see price tapping the resistance area, I want to move on to the 50-minute to look for confirmations. Right, so my confirmation is going to be this. I want to see the price break below this price, which is at 2023.4. Okay, I want to see price breaking below with a retest, then we can start shorting. Right. Reason why I'm looking for shorts is just for scalping, is because we do see the price moving downwards, right? When the price came to this level, it did not create a lower low for this area here. With that being said, if the price were to create a lower low, we will see something like this. Breaking this low, comes back and dump further, right? But we've never seen this movement right now. We see the price stuck, did not even tap in, and bounce all the way high up. And it has broken this a very minor resistance here. So when this is broken, we do see that the price retested, bounce, retested, bounce, retested a lot of times, and bounce, right? And currently the price is breaking this high, right? If we look at these few candles, it did not break, but this current candle, we do have another 8 minutes to see if the candle is going to close above, okay? So this is going to be for gold. So if I want to take a short position, I want to see the price breaking below, and then I will set a sell limit with my stops just above this high, okay? And my TP is going to be at the low here. So this is going to be for gold. Okay, so this is going to be for gold. I'm looking to short gold because the US dollar is currently strengthening. So we will not know until when the dollar is going to be strong. So for the time being, if there's an opportunity, yes, we can take a sell. Looking at this price point here right now as well. Okay, if we look to the left, we do see all this support here, right? All this support being broken, tested, dump, and currently is testing it again. So if on the 15-minute I do see some reversal candle like the doji or evening star engulfing, then I will be looking for shorts instant. So we want to see the price move. We want to wait for more volume before we actually hop into the trade. Okay, so this will be for gold. Okay, any other pairs that you guys want me to look at? Any other pairs? I've done BTC, I've done GBP CAD, I've done Euro USD, I've also done gold. So any other pairs that you guys are interested to know? Okay, so any of you guys hasn't joined my Telegram? Anyone? Can just hop in to your Telegram. Just key in this link here, right? Then we will guide you guys, help you guys actually we will actually guide and help you guys and give you guys more education so you guys know what you are doing when you are looking at the chart, right? So you hopefully, right, if you understand, if you catch up quick, yeah, then you'll be making money without relying on signals. Okay, USD JPY, huh? YouTube, we do have one USD JPY. Okay, so USD JPY. Okay, so like I said, the US dollar is strengthening, right? Post NFP. So after the NFP news, we do see the US dollar getting stronger. Okay, we also do see this trend line here that I've placed and broken, right, with this solid close above, okay, which has taken out these highs and these highs. Currently is not breaking above this high, okay, so we do see the price resisting at this area. Okay, so what I'm looking at, actually I do have two price point here and also a trend line. What I want to see is the price to either tap back at this resistance that's been broken. If it couldn't hold, I'm looking at this resistance plus this trend line, right? So this will be a much more ideal entry level, right? This is going to be much more ideal. So if it comes back to this level, yes, we will be looking for a buy. Okay, so of course the buy is going to be eventually back to this high or back to this high here, following this candle's high. Okay, so for USD JPY, I'm not going to sell, I'm not going to buy either until the price hit my support level, which includes this resistance broken and this trend line that has been broken, right? So I want to see the price come back here before I actually place a buy entry. Okay, so this is going to be for USD JPY. But of course, when the price does tap in back to this buy zone, you want to hop on to the lower time frame, 30-minute or 15-minute, right? You want to see some kind of confirmation that the price is moving towards the upside. You can actually look for bullish engulfing. You can look for a doji reversal, right? Anything that you think it fits your criteria, then you can actually look for a buy. Okay, if we look at this 15-minute, this buy zone also does correlates with this demand area, okay, which is a rally based rally. So if you guys do know what is rally based rally, basically the base is where the price took a break before it continued to rally higher, right? So the base area is where the break area is where I'm going to use it as a demand area. Okay, so if it's a drop based drop, that base is going to be a supply. Okay, so if you guys do know, then it's good, but if you don't, then definitely you learn something new today. Okay, so I'm for USD JPY, I'm going to be looking for buys. Previously, last week I was looking for shorts, right? I want to short the US dollar, but after the NFP news, after the data that's been out, my bias has changed to buying the US dollar. Okay, so we want to see the US dollar actually strengthen again. Okay, so we will have to wait for more price action. Any other pairs that you guys want me to look at? Any other pairs? So on YouTube, I do see one person actually commenting. You are in my Telegram, so definitely you will get more insights. And thank you for joining my Telegram. If you do have any pairs you want me to look at, feel free to type into the chat box. Okay, don't forget, for those of you that just joined my live or you're not in my Telegram, please feel free to join this Telegram channel. Okay, it's free. We don't charge you guys anything. Okay, you will get more education. You get trade updates. Okay, and we also do a lot of things for you guys to actually help you guys out. So feel free to just join this channel. Okay, we'll help you guys and let's make more money in this industry.
It's 4 a.m. I can't turn my head up, wishing these memories will fade and empty. Turns out people lie. They say just snap your fingers, as if it was really that easy for me to get over you. I just need time. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I'm a snap. I'm writing a song, so this is the last one. How many last songs are left? I'm losing count. Since June 22nd, my heart's been on fire. I've been spending my nights in the rain trying to put it out. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? You're still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart. 'Cause I'm a snap. Oh, oh. 'Cause I'm a snap. Oh, oh. And if one more person says you should get over it, I must stop talking to people before I snap, snap, snap. I must stop talking to people before I snap. Snapping 1, 2, where are you? I'm still in my heart. Snapping 3, 4, don't need you here anymore. Get out of my heart.
Any other pairs? Any other pairs? Okay, so for TikTok, I'm gonna end my live. So if you guys want to continue watching this live, hop into this channel. Then it will link you to my YouTube, so you can watch the live there. Also, you do get benefits that we will send you signals and everything. Okay, so do hop onto this channel. Okay, you guys walk. Okay, so TikTok, thank you guys for joining. I will be ending my live. I'll see you guys tomorrow for the Neon session as well. Alright, thank you and bye bye.
Dress so fancy, like Sid and Nancy. Walking game a queen, gotta keep on guessing. So baby, come bust me a liar. We're gonna leave them on fire. We're the sinners and the blessings, girl. I can see you, I know what you're feeling. So let me tell you.
was weak. Oh well, cause the beggars can be choosy. Wanted to receive attention for my music. Wanna be left alone and public will excuse me. For one of my cake and needed two. When I both face fame and me a balloon. When my ego inflated, when I blue sea, it was confusing. Cause all I wanna do is be the Bruce Lee and loosely. Abused it, used it as a tool when I blue steam. Ooh, hit the lottery, oh wee. But what I gave it to get was bittersweet. Like winning a used me. Ironic cause I'm getting so huge and need this ring. I'm making them the loose sheep. One sheep, two sheep. Going cuckoo is cool key. But I'm actually with it.
Friends with the monster inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. They're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, I'm not there. Well, I'm not there.
Well, I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment and don't squander it. Should never know when it all could be over tomorrow, so I keep conjuring. Sometimes I wonder where these thoughts come from.
You ponders, no wonders, you lose your mind the way you want it.
Thinking we're wandering off down yonder and I stumble on the Jeff Van Dondren. Cause I need an interventionist to intervene between me and this monster and save me from myself and all this conflict. Cause if everything I love is killing me and I can't conquer it. My OCD's knocking me in the head, keep knocking. No, it's home, I'm sleepwalking. I'm relaying what the voice in my head said. Don't shoot the messenger, I'm just friends with
The
them.
monster inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. They're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, I'm not there. Well, I'm not there. I'm friends with the monster inside of my bed. Get along with the voices inside of my head. They're trying to save me. Stop holding your breath. And you think I'm crazy. Yeah, you think I'm crazy. Well, I'm not there. I will always remember the day you kissed my lips, light as a feather. And it went just like this. No, it's never been better. In that summer of 2002, we were only 11, but acting like grown-ups, like we are in the present. Drinking from plastic cups, singing love is forever and ever. Well, I guess that was true. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods, having no mistake. Where we say, songs with all our chosen friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems saying bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture of you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. Now we're under the covers. Fast forward to 18, we are more than lovers. Yeah, we're all we need when we're holding each other. I'm taking back to 2002. Ooh. Dancing on the hood in the middle of the woods, so we know my say, where we say, songs with all our chosen friends. And it went like this, say, oops, I got 99 problems saying bye, bye, bye. Hold up, if you wanna go and take a ride with me, better hit me, baby, one more time. Paint a picture for you and me on the days when we were young, singing at the top of both our lungs. On the day we fell in love. 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 Dancing on the hood in the middle of the world, and we don't mistake where we say songs with all our childhood friends. Oh no.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the center sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh, ooh. I was broken from a young age, taking my soaking to the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, touching me, shook to me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty through the baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it. Baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it. Oh, let the bullets fly, oh, let the rain. My love, my job, it came from. Baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it. Third things third, send a prayer to the ones up above. All the hate that you've heard is turn your spirit to a dove. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, ooh. I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my fears they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down, it rained down, like, baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it. Baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it. Oh, let the bullets fly, oh, let the rain. My love, my job, it came from. Baby, are you ready to believe it? Believe it.
Filled with highlights, and I want someone like you. I want paradise with the sunset. If I could only be with you, 'cause I would wait 1,000 years to be next to you. 'Cause I'm not home until you're here with me. 1,000 years. La, 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 'cause I'm not home until you're here with me. 1,000 years. La, 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 la,
Yes, respect.
I want a good life filled with highlights, and I want someone like you. I want paradise with the sunset. If I could only be with you, 'cause I would wait 1,000 years to be next to you. 'Cause I'm not home until you're here with me. 1,000 years.
Follow my trade.
Yeah, yeah. anymore.
as this trend line is.
You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you, yeah. We're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you. Sunroof, I'm blasting out favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than the sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting out favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than the sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. I got my head out the sunroof.
Alert has been set, so I'll
We're living together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to earth, who can tell? I guess there is no one to blame. We're leaving the ground, leaving the ground. Will things ever be the same again? It's the final countdown. We're heading for Venus, and still we stand tall. 'Cause maybe they've seen us and welcome us all, yeah. With so many light years to go, and things to be found, Sure that we all miss the sun. We're living together, but still it's farewell. And maybe we'll come back to earth, who can tell? Remembering me, discover and see all over the world. She's known as a girl those who are free, the mind shall be key. Forgotten as the past, 'cause history will last. God is a girl wherever you are. Do you believe it? Can you receive it? God is a girl, whatever you say. Do you believe it? Can you receive it? God is a girl. God is a girl, she's only a girl. Do you believe it? Can you receive it? She wants to shine forever in time. She is so driven, she's always mine. Clearly and free, she wants you to be a part of the future, a girl like me. There is a sky illuminating us. Someone is out there that we truly trust. There is a rainbow for you and me, a beautiful sunrise eternally. God is a girl wherever you are. Do you believe it? Can you receive it? God is a girl, whatever you say. Do you believe it? Can you receive it? God is a girl.
Cheers to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back you. Memories bring back you.
Book cheap flights. Discover and reduce flight deals on the trip.com app.
There's a time that I've
Dreams to survive. Dreams that always come true. Oh, keep your dreams alive. Dream, dream on. Your dream will come alive. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on, boy. Your dream will come alive. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on. Come on, dream on, boy. Your dream will come alive. Daytime in the mix.
Okay, so I'll be ending my life soon. Since that's not
Your dream will come